Hello everyone, Constantino the broker. I'm selling this beautiful house in Orange Park. As you can see, has a really nice front lottage. You can see my open house signs are up already. You see my open house signs. This is a 4-2. Does have a pool, so it's a really nice house here in Orange Park. It is a 4-2. So it is on the MLS already. It's on regular lockbox. So you guys are more than welcome to come and show it. Please take your shoes off because the house was deep clean. So we will need you guys to take your shoes off when you're showing this beauty. So I really will appreciate that. It's a cute little house here. It's got a pool. Nice, beautiful little subdivision here in Grove Park, here in the heart of town of Orange Park. So this is Bel Air and Grove Park. So you can come in through Wells, you can come in through Blanding and take Madeira all the way to Gano and then to Bel Air. But it's a beautiful, beautiful little house here, 4-2. So bring your pickiest buyers. This house is ready for you guys. Again, Constantino the broker. It's a 4-2. Almost 2,000 square feet, about 2,400 with the 2-car garage. So you have a lot of living area. Here's my contact information, 904-452-3895. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Open house this Saturday.